What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about CRO. I feel like I haven't mentioned CRO that much because it hasn't really done a lot. But you know that I like to talk about my heaviest investment positions, right? I put a lot of money into CRO. I believe in CRO. I honestly invest every single day in the CRO. If you don't know that by now, then you obviously haven't been following my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We talk about a lot of different cryptocurrencies. We do mention CRO quite a bit. And we also have $10 per day that we're investing into this project. And we've been doing it for 300 plus days. Now, I also have over 300,000 CRO and closing in on 400,000 CRO, but I'm still investing $10 per day in CRO to see how that does grow. Now, I expect 2025 to be huge for a lot of cryptocurrencies. I also expect for it to be huge for CRO and the parent company, right? Crypto.com. I feel as though you got to understand everything that they are offering, which is a lot of stuff. Their 2025 roadmap and the different things that they're looking to put in place. But if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter and follow me on Patreon at PerryHGA, you can follow me over there. Now, don't forget about my link for BTCC. If you guys want to trade CRO, you can trade, I believe, up to 100x leverage. Correct me if I'm wrong. Up to 100x leverage on BTCC. It might even be more than that. But I don't ever recommend trading that high. I expect to be, like a 5 or 10x leverage, maybe even less, depending on what you believe, cryptocurrency is going to do. But it could be, a 2x leverage or 3x leverage. But either way, you can do leverage trading over here, trade CRO. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus, as well as a 40% lower trading fees and up to $10,055 of extra bonuses. So that sounds great to me. I don't know about you. But then you can also trade, 300 plus crypto futures, and, you can get a bunch of other things. So feel free to check out my link in the description for BTCC. I've been using it for about 4 months or so, and it's been pretty great to use it. So check it out. Link in the description. Now, CRO, where does it currently stand? It stands at 12.5 cents. And it's down by 8% today. Not looking great at all today. We're not seeing the overall market look really that great. Volume is up. It's up by 44%, but that's not great in a negative day. That means there's a lot of selling that's going on. But you are seeing a $71 million volume day while also looking at a $3.3 billion market cap. I expect this to be worth so much more. My expectation is looking at about a $75 billion market cap. Close to it, right? Maybe even an $80 billion market cap, getting to a level of $3 per coin. So this is definitely going to skyrocket. It's going to increase to where if you were invested at a level of 10 cents, you can see a 30x in your purchase right now, or your purchase from then, which is fantastic, right? Right now it's sitting again at 10 or 12.5 cents. So obviously you're not going to see that 30x, but it still is going to be a significant gain from there. Now, you can also say there's a lot of people that believe this is going to be worth more than just a, $75 billion market cap or $90 billion market cap. They believe it's going to be worth, a $200 billion market cap with the things that Crypto.com, a major exchange, is doing. This is something that gets a lot of people excited. Now, their 2025 roadmap consists of a lot of things, right? Whether it's talking about the updated reward systems or updated what's it called, APRs or APYs, or even talking about the credit cards that you get instead of just the debit cards. There's many things that they're looking to offer with Crypto.com themselves, which finds a way to tie in CRO. And that's the thing that I like about, Crypto.com and CRO, is the fact that they tie in CRO so well to their exchange that when the exchange becomes heavily used, which it already has a lot of users. It's just not heavily used because of lack of being able to use the physical exchange. Once it becomes heavily used, it now becomes a tier 1 exchange. It is or an S tier exchange, honestly. It is an S tier exchange, in my opinion, by the amount of users that it has, but it's not an S tier exchange in the amount of dollar figures that go through, crypto.com. Because it seems like crypto.com is more of like a buy and hold and gain your APY and use your cards and all of those things there, rather than circulating, right? Buying something because you want to buy it and then sell it, right? It's not really about that unless you have access to the exchange, which a lot of people in the US or I believe Canada, I'm not 100% sure, but there's other countries that just don't have access to the exchange, meaning that they have a larger price difference. So if let's say you have something that's worth $1, if you go to buy it, they're going to say, oh, well, you're buying it for a higher price, right? We want you to buy it for $10, or not $10, $1.10 or $1.05, which is different than what they want you to sell it at, which would be a cheaper price. They want you to sell it at 95 cents, meaning that you have a 5-cent difference between each coin that you are selling. That's a big difference. And you see that across the board, right? You see that with Coinbase, you see that with Kraken, you see it with many platforms. If you're selling or buying and selling outright directly on their website rather than on the exchange where you're exchanging coins, you're going to see a lot bigger of a price difference than if you were just on that exchange. So different things that crypto.com has here. As you see their website, they have they have their sports associated there, where trade your predictions, basically a gambling in a way, profit when you're regulated at all 50 states, US states. So basically you can gamble in a way, and that's different than what you see in cryptocurrency. But then again, you think about it, it's all really a gamble. You're kind of betting on whether it's going to go up or go down. And that's the same thing with sports. You have your level up, right? Level up your crypto stocks, access to banking and cards to manage and grow your wealth while enjoying next level rewards. You have things for businesses, pay for merchant. You have things for developers as well, and things for individuals, whether you want to talk about crypto, you want to talk about stocks, sporting, or sports, banking, Visa cards, up to 8% in rewards back, up to 8% in rewards coming soon for banking. They have the new sports, again, new stocks, or up to 3% deposit bonus within it. And you have, swaps, crypto.com on chain as well. So again, if you can have the access to the exchange, that would be great for, exchanging, different stocks or different cryptocurrencies, and not having to pay a massive difference in the fee. Your fees may be low, but the difference in what you're paying may be a little bit higher. So anyways, I think crypto or Kronos is going to be worth a lot more than people think, because throughout everything that they are offering here, whether you're talking about 3% on stocks, 7.5% on banking, 8% on cards, whatever you're talking about there, you can see that it has a way to use CRO in such a big way. All of the percentages back, all of the things that you're getting is going to give you so much more in CRO and rewards in CRO that you now are able to capitalize on the growth of CRO as well, as more people are doing the same. So I see so much success in crypto.com, in CRO, in the cards, that's why I have everything, right? I have the cards. I have CRO staked. I have it staked for the cards. I have it staked on the DeFi wallet. I'm utilizing it in large ways. I'm getting rewards, getting rebates, all of those different things. I'm looking to capitalize everything crypto.com offers me. And that's why I believe CRO is going to be worth a lot more. I want to know what you guys think about Kronos, crypto.com, the things that they're offering, how far it will explode. I'm saying $3. And some people are like, $3 is ridiculous. $75 billion market cap for something that is borderline an S tier exchange. I don't know. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.